If you've been coding for months, even years, and you still freeze when it's time to build something real, this isn't a skill problem, it's a system problem. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap that turns endless learning into actual progress. Hi, my name is Yomi, and this is Tech with Yomi. You're not broken, you are trapped in a broken learning loop. Here are the 5 hidden traps. Number 1, the tutorial treadmill. You are consuming content, not creating solution. 2, the role confusion spiral. Backend, full stack, front end. Without a target, you are learning in circle. Quick story, when I started learning programming for the first 2 years, I bounced between different programming languages from PHP to Java to Python and other languages. I learned syntax but built nothing. But the moment I commit to .NET and backend development, everything clicked. And 3 is the framework fancy. Chasing every new JavaScript framework kills focus. And the 4th one here is the feedback vehicle. No mentor, no code reviews. No validation equals to no real improvement. And the 5th one is the invisible progress problem. You never celebrate small wins, so motivation dies quietly. Here is what this looks like. Learn, forget, restart, and burn out. Sounds familiar? And here is 7-step escape plan. 7 steps, all actionable. Let's go. Step 1 is lock in your target role. Don't say developer. No. Say junior developer specializing in .NET. And here's what you do. Read 5 job postings for your chosen role. Know the skill that appear 3 or more times. Write it down. And this is your not cut for the next 90 days. Create a role statement, pin it above your desk. 2 is map your core 8. Most major roles require 8 to 10 core skills. Prioritize them in this order. 1, core language. This could be C#, Python, JavaScript, any language. And 2 is framework. ASP.NET, Django, React. 3, version control, which is Git. 4 is database basics, maybe SQL. 5 could be API, which REST, HTTP fundamentals. 6 is testing basics. 7, deployment, it could be Azure, Cloud, AWS. 8, soft skill, documentation, and so on. And remember to create a checklist for this. Make sure you tick one off every week. And 3 is master fundamentals tests. Spend 60% of your time on fundamentals. OOP, data structure, API, Git, SQL. Framework changes, but fundamental don't. Build 5 tiny exercises per week. 4th step is ship small, ship often. Stop planning the next Uber. Build something tiny but complete. A to-do app with database, with an space tracker with charts, an API that serves random codes. Deploy an imperfect, beat perfect and invisible. And 5, get feedback. Your career depends on it. For review, accelerate learning 10 times faster than solo learning. Where to get feedback? Post on Reddit, join the Discord server like Programmer Hangouts, and local meetups and hackathon. Share at least one project publicly. Ask, what's the first thing I should improve? 6th is practice communication, not just coding. You can write brilliant code and still fail interview if you can't explain your thinking. So I exercise your practices. Record yourself solving one little problem weekly and talk through your logic. And 2, explain one technical concept to a non-technical friend. And record this video and watch them by yourself to see area of improvement. And 7 is apply, fail forward, and iterate. Rejections aren't failure, they are data. After every rejection or interview, ask yourself, what questions stumbled me? What projects could have helped? And what skill need work? Adjust your learning plan every 2 weeks based on real feedback. And the third section is your 90 days blueprint. Here's how this breaks down. 1. The foundation. For the next 1 to 3 weeks, pick a role, map a core skill, and start learning the fundamentals. And the phase 2 is for the next 4 to 8 weeks, is deploy 2 real projects. Get feedback on both. Iterate based on input and feedbacks. And the third phase is to launch. The thing in the next 9 to 12 weeks, apply to roles, like 10 roles. Do at least 3 mocks interview. Network in like 1 to 2 communities. Document everything. Every Git commit, every LinkedIn post, every lesson learned. Your progress becomes your portfolio. And the fourth thing here is the mindset shift. Failing stuff doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are transiting. 3 mental phase that change everything is: the phase 1 is from learning to shipping. Progress happens when your code leaves your laptop. And shift 2 is from speed to consistency. 30 focused minutes daily, meet 10 hours on a weekend. And the third shift is from imposter to improver. Every senior developers were once where you are. The difference is they kept building. Every expert was once a beginner who refused to stay as a beginner. You are not stuck because you lack talent. You are stuck because you lack structure. Pick your parts, build small, get feedback, and ship consistently. That's how you go from feeling lost to building momentum. Thank you for watching. If this is impactful, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Drop your comments below on whatever you are learning, and I would like to engage with your comments. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.